In this video, I'm going to show you that if you want to travel back in time with Google Maps, how we can do that. So for example, if you want to explore some of the places, how it looked now, how it looked years back, like 10 years back, we can see those pictures as well live on the streets. Let's do this. For example, we are in the Palm Jumeirah. I'll show you completely from scratch how you can enable that. So let's see. So here we are on the Google Maps. Let's search for any location. I'll search for Palm Jumeirah. Now for some of the places, it shows you the option to see the previous dates, and some are only set to the latest ones. So let's hold this person and drop it anywhere. Let's say at this point. No, I think it's not correctly dropped here. Let's drop it again. And now we can see this is the main entrance of a beautiful hotel. And these are all the amazing views that I have. So we have this live map of January 2023. Let's see more dates, what dates are available. And as we can see, we can travel back in time and see how it looks in 2015. As we can see, just notice the cars out here, just notice all the buildings, and let's move back in time. And now guys, you can see that although the hotel looks just like before, but the picture quality, all the cars around here, so it has all changed. So back in 2015, there was something under construction here. Let's see what was constructed here. And you can see now it looks beautiful. Let's explore some other place. Now we are in Hilton. So this is the view. But for some of these, you cannot see other dates here. So you have to test around. You have to try dropping the person on the different streets. And for some, you will get the options, and for others, you won't get the options. So it probably best to drop it on the main street. Now let's drop this person here. And this is some building, Royal Hideaway. On the right, we can see the cars around here. And this is a new hotel. And that was in 2023. So let's travel back in time and let's see how this place looked back in time. So let's click on see more dates, and we have this up till 2015. So let's see how it looks in 2015. So as we can see here, guys, this is all under construction. As you can see, it is very simple. The picture quality is also different. The cars are also very different. And now these cars look something like that. So at some streets, some places, you won't be able to see the previous dates option. As you can see, this when I move forward, it just disappeared. So let's go back, and you have to drop it again and see more dates. You can travel back in time to 2021. And this is it, guys. This is how you can explore the Google Maps of different times. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. And I'll see you in there.